it's Friday. And I just finished school. I finished all my curriculum lessons, like everything I had to do before I actually start, going home and chilling. And what is the procedure? Go home, open up your laptop, your PC, your PlayStation, and start playing. And that's what I did. I hopped on a Discord call with the boys. I started playing. That's what I did for like all the time that I had in the week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's all I did. And I was okay. That was very fun in the beginning. I understand, yes. But then what was the problem? The problem was that I didn't really feel fulfilled. I felt that I was wasting time. I was very deep into thought. And I thought, what should I do? How should I fix this? I have some friends like I don't really like that are not really that real friends. Like they're not bad people, of course, but they have like bad addictions on maybe scrolling on social media and playing video games, doing all that bullshit. And I was doing the same thing. Not that I was like any better, but the point was like I wanted to change. I wanted to find friends that actually wanted to improve with me as well. So one of the first steps that I heard, like a quote, if you hear a lot of the quote on the internet, there's a quote that goes by, you are the sum of 5 people you spend time around. So that's what I did, and then I thought, why not stop like hanging out with those friends, or just maybe like ghost them in a sense. There are 2 ways that you can actually go about this. You can like ghost them, or you can straight up just tell them that you're not fucking with them, and if they don't want to change and self-improve with you, then you might as well leave, like respectfully. I mean, I chose the ghost, the first option, because it was like easier for me, of course, because I didn't have to say shit. I just did my work in private and just stopped and just like focused so much on it that I didn't spend any more time with the boys. And that slowly progressed to me stopping going to Discord and stuff, and me starting to actually read books, view videos on like finance, on self-improvement, Hamza's videos. That's most of my time spent for a few months at least. The only connections I had were like close family and my girlfriend. But like these were the main people that I was spending my time with. And the other time I was focusing either on business or on learning something new or habits. I was doing something that could actually help me improve and become better, self-improve. It was quite lonely, yes. I mean, it's not the best thing to actually spend like a little time going out. It was mostly at home and spending time with family. But the thing is that one thing I really liked about the fact that I was alone, there were no distractions, no bad influences. I felt so much better. I felt so much more at peace that I actually could chill, work on something that I love, and not be bothered by someone that wants to play CSGO or like fucking Fortnite every day and doesn't want to go to the gym and stuff with me and improve, who doesn't understand what I'm even talking about, who is at one level and I'm like at this level. And how can you associate with these people if they're only bringing you down, even if they don't want to? The other thing that I really liked about disappearing is that I really liked that I could connect way more with my family. I could actually talk with them way more because every day I was interacting with them. I was looking at them. I was like talking to them. And it was very nice to actually connect with them way more than before, because like the only thing I was doing was mindlessly playing video games and minding my own business when they were working hard and thinking about me while I was thinking about something else. That was stupid. That was not important. That's the thing that actually pisses me off. If you know you have family with you, if you know you have loved ones, if you know you have yourself, like you're at the bottom low, why do you keep indulging in dumb shit? Why do you do that when you can easily improve and at least get a physique, like build a physique, like start making money online so you don't have to work that shitty ass job that you were working for, or going to college and studying for a degree that you don't even care about, and maybe even helping your mother that is overworking or your father that is overworking a job that he fucking hates. Why not help them? Why not help yourself? Why not find a girlfriend, a lovely girlfriend? Why are you stuck on the degenerate women? Like, why you can improve on so many things that can easily like boost you and make you way better and actually make you into this handsome man that can actually conquer everything in his way and develop a mindset. If you're watching this video and you're going to still play video games after you're watching this video, good. Stay wherever you are, have fun being poor, have fun being mediocre, have fun not having a loving girlfriend in your family, have fun being the useless child in your family. I mean, that's what you want. If you're not doing anything, that's what you want, basically. Think about that. You have to think about it a little bit. Every choice that you make is your own decision. It's your fault. Where are you now? Are you sitting on like in front of a computer screen watching a video? I commend you for watching this video, actually, like no problem, like, because you're trying to actually find a way to improve and find out what goes through your mind and how everything works in if you're trying to disappear. But you shouldn't just mindlessly watch videos and think that playing a few hours of video games every day is fine. Oh no, it's not really a problem, like it's not stopping my growth, when it really does. Like, you're wasting so much fucking time. I mean, I understand, like, it's not your fault, of course. It's like the video games, they're making so much fun. Porn that is so attractive, that it's playing with our instincts and our want to breed. But the point is that when you find out that these are the negative side effects of doing whatever you're doing and still not being able to do anything, is fucking stupid, and it's gonna haunt you for the rest of your life if you find out about this information and you're still not doing anything, thinking that you're gonna be fine. But then deep down in your mind, you know the bad things are gonna happen. You know that whatever you're doing is bad for you, but you're still doing it because it's fun and you're addicted to it, but you're not doing anything to actually stop it. The point of this video is that I'm trying to create a cult. I'm trying to bring in more people to actually become one, become like a man. Like, think about your dream as a result of a man. Let's say, for example, it's Gojo, for example, or maybe it's Jotaro. A masculine man that is confident in himself, that doesn't watch porn, that is not into bad habits, that has a loving girlfriend, that has women like flocking all around him, but he chooses one beautiful feminine girlfriend that bears his child in the end. What would you do? It's much better to actually think about that and resonate with that and actually work towards becoming a better man. Try to think about who's the smartest person I know, what their decision would be, what they would do. Do you want to help your future self or not? Do you want to like do the hard work now and actually achieve all the nice jawline, the beautiful beard, the clean face, nice hair, the business, the woman, everything? Like, do you actually want to work for that now and save the trouble for later? I think it's best if you do everything now and sacrifice your time as a young person to actually improve later. That's why I invite you to actually join my Discord. It's a link in the description, and I invite you to become a part of our cult, because it's really important that you actually find like-minded people like you that want to improve and actually start to become better. Stop wasting time.